Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Pro. Gemini Pro is a highly capable large language model designed for a wide range of applications. It can understand intricate instructions and produce creative, relevant responses. You can easily access its power through the Google AI Studio, a user-friendly web interface, or integrate it directly into your applications using its robust API. This flexibility allows for seamless integration into many workflows. Gemini Pro offers impressive capabilities, including generating creative text formats, summarizing lengthy documents, and performing accurate language translation. A key feature is its massive context window, allowing it to process up to 1 million tokens of information. This means it can understand and respond to extremely long and complex prompts. Furthermore, it supports multimodal inputs, integrating text, images, and even audio for richer interactions. To get the best results from Gemini Pro, it's crucial to craft clear and specific prompts. Think of your prompt as giving precise instructions to a very intelligent assistant. Experiment with various prompt structures, like few-shot examples or chain-of-thought reasoning, to fine-tune the output. You can also use system instructions to define the model's persona or set specific behavioral guidelines, ensuring consistent and relevant responses for your tasks. For advanced usage, always iterate on your prompts, refining them based on the model's initial responses. This iterative process helps you achieve increasingly precise and high-quality outputs. Consider combining Gemini Pro with other tools or APIs to create more complex and powerful applications. Finally, keep an eye on updates and new features released by Google, as these improvements can significantly enhance your experience and unlock new possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.